Hi guys, let's unbox something which I wanted from a very long time, that is Instax Mini SE. So let's unbox it together, this beauty. And I'm trying to twin with her, but I couldn't find the exact color. But yeah, purple lavender, it's okay. Let's unbox her. Maybe, what is this? ASMR for the fun of it. Enough, let's do it. I don't know why I'm doing this, but yeah, I'm very excited to have my own Instax mini camera. Yep, let's go. Okay, I'm trying not to cut myself in the process. Okay, there's something here, and then is another box for us to unbox. Maybe me. Okay, let's do it. So excited. There are more cardboard to deal with. Should I pull it out? Ooh. Okay, I dropped something down. And this has something and a manual. And I have dropped a cable. Sorry, I have dropped the tag of it. Okay, they have given the acrylic batteries, 4 of these, and then yeah. Just stick. Okay. Sticks. I'm so excited to use this, and let's see what else is there in this. There are other manuals. Oh, they have stickers too. Shitty. And I think it's I'm not able to open it, so I'm gonna put this. There is a box inside. That's set of instant films, 10 of those. This is how it is, and I can't. Okay, 10 of these are there inside this. I'll post the photos which I'll be taking in upcoming days. It's my pretty Instax Mini SE and the thing. Yeah, isn't she pretty?